Top of Daf Nun Zayin Amud Beis in Meseches Pesachim. This is Pesachim Daf 57b. Gemara is continuing a story with Yisachar ish Kfar Bar Koi. He was asked by the king and the queen, which one is better? Is it the goat or is it the lamb? Achvi biyade. So he showed with his hands. Igad yoyoy. If the goat was really better, Yasek Litzmida. It should be brought by the carbon Talmud. He dismissed the whole question. Basically said, obviously the gedi is not. Amar Malka, so the king said, Hoel v'lo havele emsa de malchusa, since this guy doesn't have any fear of the kingship, nifsaku liyamine, let's cut off his right hand. So Yoav Shochat, he gave a bribe, upaske l'smole, they ended up just cutting off his left hand. Shama Malka, the king heard, upaske liyamine, so he cut off his right hand as well. Amar Rav Yosef said about the story, Brich Rachmana Baruch Hashem, the Ashkele Yisachar Ish Kfar Bar Koi, Le Mitrafise Mine B'Hai Olma, that HaKadosh Baruch Hu paid back, he was paid back for his sins in this world, he wasn't paid back in the next world. Amar Rav Ashi said, Yisachar Ish Kfar Bar Koi, Lo Tana Masnisin, Yisachar Ish Kfar Bar Koi, he didn't even know Mishnayis, the Tanan, because we learned in a Mishnah, Rabbi Shimon says, Kivasim Kodmim Le'izim B'chol Makom, he says that sheep always come before goats in all places. Yachol mipnei shemuvcharin b'minan. I might think it's because they're better, they're more preferred. Talmud Lomar, the pasuk says, Im keves yavi karbono. If he's going to bring a keves as his carbon, malamed sheshneim shkulim ke'echad. This pasuk teaches us that really they're both equal. Rashi over here says, Im keves yavi l'chatas kan hiktim se'ira l'kivsa. T'chsiv b'parshal Yonah v'hevi es karbono se'iras izim v'gomer. V'hadrim keves yavi. One place it says the seir first, the other place it says the keves first. So you see that they're really equal. Ravina says, Afilu mikra nami lo kara. Even psukim he hasn't read. Because the pasuk says, Im keves imeis, whether it be a sheep, whether it be a goat. Iboy keves laise, if he wants, he can bring a sheep. Iboy eiz laise, if he wants, he can bring a goat. Rashi says, Im keves imeis gabe shlomim. It says by the carbon shlomim, midloher loch hakasav remez muvchor bazem mizeh. Torah doesn't say clearly which one's better. Shamat minah shashnei and shav. And you see that they are both equal. And we'll just point out that this punishment that he had, that his hands were cut off, it was mida keneged mida, because in the previous Amud it says that one of his sins was he would do the avoda, but he would wrap his hands, he would cover his hands in silk, which was a chatzitza, and that passed the avoda. So this punishment is mida keneged mida. Hadron aloch makam shenagu uslik Allah Pesach Rishon. We will return to you parak makam shenagu. If you're enjoying these videos, please take a look at the description box below to see how you can support this channel, and please like, subscribe, and share. We will continue with the next video on Daf Nun Ches Amud Aleph.